Let me know what you think about this style. And yes. Hey guys, Sweetness here. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a hairstyle for you guys. Pretty simple and different. So what you're going to do is get yourself a hair tie, which I already have right here already in for you guys. So this is going to be a quick video so you don't have to see all of that. Catch your hair up in a half up, half down hairstyle. As you can see, I have some down and I have a ponytail that's up. Once you have this ponytail up like this, I'm going to take 3 braids and I'm going to wrap around my ponytail just in case if it shows after with the style. So you're just going to take it and you're going to wrap around the actual ponytail just to give it some style. Okay guys? Just like so. And the skinny ends, you're going to just pull and tuck. So you have ta-da going on, alright? Divide it into 4 sections. And once you divide it into 4 sections, you're gonna start wrapping around each of your braids. So what you're going to be doing, I'll use 3 braids. You're gonna take it and you're going to wrap, okay? Make sure that the braids are flat when you're wrapping, okay? Once the little piece gets small, you take another 3 and you start wrapping over the small piece, the ending piece, okay? Now, when you're wrapping, you wanna make sure you pull tight, they're all together, they're uniforms, okay? I'm coming to the end once again. Grab these 2 and you just wrap it around and you just wrap it all the way down. Obviously it can't go all the way down, so what you want to do is grab a rubber band, and you tie it up so it doesn't unravel, okay? We're gonna hide this end after, so don't you worry. So now we're going to be doing that to the other 3 sections that you made, okay guys?
Let's take a walk and listen to the guitars, walking through the quest, dreaming on the stars. Hey baby, you're from a special life. That's why I want to stay with you tonight. Stay with you tonight. That's why I want to stay with you tonight. Stay with you tonight.
You're going to take the 2 on one side and you're going to wrap it around underneath each other, just like so. You're going to take the next 2, just like that, and wrap it around each other. And that is the first style. So you're going to take the both of them, wrap it around the back, and we're going to be creating a little mini bow. Okay? Then once you wrap it around the back, you're going to bring it around the front, and you're going to cross them at the front and bring it around the back, okay? And if it's that long, then you have to bring it to the front once again, and you can do that too. Okay? And it's like a mini bow. And you got yourself a mini bow. So if you guys like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications because I'll be posting, guys. Let me know what you think about this style. And yes, I will be taking some pictures so you guys can see how this looks. Thank you guys. Love you guys so much. Bye.